welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal here of Crystal's Classy Life, also known as Coupon and Crystal. Welcome back to the channel. I've got my CVS haul for this week. I had my $10 CarePass, so I decided to go in and do a deal. I don't really do a lot of CVS shopping anymore. I really just use my CarePass. If you're not familiar with the CVS CarePass, I'll make sure that I'll link a video that I did some years ago talking about the CarePass. I've had it for years. I do enjoy having it. Basically, what happens is I choose to have $5 drafted out of my account each month through CVS, and they in turn give me back a $10 extra buck on my CVS card to spend. Even swap is no swindle, okay? But it's not really even swap. I'm gaining $5. So it's a no-brainer, guys. Okay, and there's some other, little perks that come along with it. So the deal that I decided to do this week is actually the spend $25 and get a $5 extra buck. And that is actually for select Tide, Gain, Draft, Downy, or Bounce products. All right, so let's get into what I decided to get. The first item I decided to pick up with the Bounce is on sale for $6.99. There was actually a $1.50 coupon in my CVS app that's attaching to this item. That's 120 count. And then the next thing I wanted to get was the Downy scent boosters. They're $5.49. No coupon, but I love the way those things smell. And then the last, but certainly not least, honey, I decided to get the big thing of the Tide Pods. These were on sale for $13.49. There is a $3 app coupon that is attaching, so that makes for a great deal. Seriously, y'all, if I'm not having fun, what are we doing, okay? I got to have some fun. All right, so let's get into the totals of everything. So the total cost of the Tide of $13.49, the Bounce $6.99, and the Downy $5.49 was a total cost of $25.97. What did I have coming off? What savings did I have? I had a total of the $10 CarePass. I had the $3 coupon for the Tide Pods. I had the $1.50 for the Bounce dryer sheets. And then I also had 30 cents back, which was a 2% back in extra bucks. You know, that little percentage that you get on your card. So that all brought my cost down in store to $11.17. That's not too bad, considering I got my $5 extra buck back, making the final cost $6.17. I'm pleased with $6.17 for this laundry items, these 3 laundry items. That is awesome. That is great. My strategy with CVS moving forward is to continue doing exactly what I'm doing. I'm not running after every deal. I did decide to get $20. Where's my little $20 at? I put it in my wallet. I did decide to get out $20 cash back when I rang this particular transaction out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this $20 and I'm going to put it in the envelope like I used to do and designate it as the coupon money, okay? So my CarePass keeps me from feeling like I have to go and do a deal to keep myself with extra bucks in order to keep rolling, okay? If I choose to not do an extra buck deal and I just want to go in and just purchase some Tide Pods with my $10 CarePass, I can, because I know I'm going to spend $5 and I'm going to get 10 back, later in the month. So I'm honestly cool with that, y'all. Guys, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments below the video. I want to know what CVS deals you decided to get this week. I did get the $4 CRT for Maybelline. I need some mascara, so I may combine that $4 CRT with this $5 extra buck and go get me some mascara. I don't know. I hope you all have an amazing week, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you. Bye.